Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to create a flat pad using a dozer, grader, or excavator. So basically you would go out, set up your base anywhere on a tripod or back of the truck if it's just a real simple pad. And then after you've set it up and you're getting a fixed position on your machine, you would just go into create model. For this one we're just doing a flat pad. So up here it's telling you the current height of your blade. So it's saying tool because I have excavator on here now. And then here we're going to enter in what height we want to grade to. So it's at 885, we can 0.12, we can say the pad is 885. Check, and then check again. If you're coming out another day, you can name it whatever you want to call it, the project name and pad or anything you want. And then you hit finish, confirm. And now everywhere we go, it's getting a cut and fill to that flat elevation. That's all there is to it. Thank you.